How to add a GIF or a GIF to Instagram comment, latest feature. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a GIF to your Instagram comment just like this. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, you're going to open up your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you need to go to your Instagram app. Make sure that it's updated. So you need to update and get the latest update on Instagram. Once it's done, you're going to get back to your Instagram. So here you will be able to find the GIF option. Just like this, you can see we have a GIF option here. Now keep in mind that the option is available just where you actually write your comment. There is no difficult process to get the button or the option. All you need to do is you're just gonna find this option here, click on GIFs, and it will give you a lot of different GIFs that you can send in your Instagram comments. You will be able to search different GIFs and send them. This option might not be available to you yet because it is actually a very new feature that Instagram has introduced and it is still in testing phase. Here you can see Instagram is reportedly testing a new feature that enables users to comment on posts with animated images or GIFs. So we will be able to search for GIFs and pull them from GIF to post them as a reply in the comment section. So this feature will be available soon to your Instagram as well, and then you will be able to send GIFs very easily. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.